Hey guys, so this printer sound effect was really simple to make. I just brought the recording of our printer that I took up close in Logic Pro. I then applied an EQ and raised the low frequencies and the high frequencies a little bit just to make the sound feel a little more full-bodied. I did try adding a compressor, but I feel like it saturated the signal too much. I just feel like this sound needed a little extra dynamic range compared to some others, so I decided to leave that out. And for this one, guys, that's about it.